Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into a common problem that you might encounter while working with Jooq. The issue at hand arises when trying to utilize the fetchStream method in Jooq without the ability to provide additional parameters, unlike the fetch method which allows for specifying mappings. This limitation can be frustrating, especially when working with Typesafe streaming mappings. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key here is to leverage the resourceful nature of the fetchStream method in Jooq. By using a try with resources block with a streamed result, you can then apply mappings, collect data, and perform any necessary operations on the stream. This approach allows for seamless streaming of data while maintaining control over resources in a safe and efficient manner. Remember to always wrap your stream in a try with resources block to ensure proper handling of JDBC resources. In summary, when faced with the challenge of type-safe streaming mappings in Jooq using the fetchStream method, the solution lies in utilizing try with resources to manage the stream and apply any necessary transformations. By following this approach, you can effectively work with stream data while maintaining control over resources. We hope you found the solution helpful and encourage you to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.